In this video, I'm going to show you how we can block a website using pfSense Firewall. So first of all, in this video, we will block the access to facebook.com, which is a social media website that people use, and in the company, you can block you should block the access to social media website. So this is the lab for the blocking of social media websites through pfSense. So first of all, we will go to firewall and rules. And here on the LAN side, you will see a rule that is anti-lockout rule. So we need to disable it first. So go to system, go to advanced, and here you will see this anti-lockout. So disable this rule. Click on save. Now go to firewall and click on alias. And here add the alias to Facebook. So click on face, type the name of the rule. This is the name you need to remember because this is the name you will enter in the rule when you create the rule on the LAN side. And type here network. The network we need to type the IP address of the facebook.com that you can obtain from pinging the facebook.com. So this is the IP 57.144.40.1. You need to block it. 57.140.44.1 slash 32 automatically comes, and click on save. Remember this name of the alias, or we can give the description here also. Click on save and click on apply changes. So now go to the rules, and on the LAN side, those packet is will be originated from the LAN side. So click on this upper arrow because you need to define your rule on the top of the list, otherwise it will be allowed. Click on this add button, and here you have three options: pass, block, or reject. So you need to understand these three options. So pass means you are allowing anything, and block means block and reject are similar but not the same. So when you type reject, when you select reject, if a hacker is probing your web server or any FTP server or any kind of server, so he will come to know that this specific resource uh, exist on your network. So if you use a block, then it will result in a request timeout. So you choose block option always. Then interface will be LAN address is IPv4. Protocol you have to choose any, and do not interfere with source. And destination is our alias. Type the destination you have created, alias Facebook. And if you want to log this packet, you can check the option and click on save. Now you have to apply the changes. Now this has been applied, and this rule is in the top. So now navigate to facebook.com. Need to check here one thing. there is a mistake. Now check. The page can't be displayed will be visible to you in a very short time. Just there was a mistake in the IP address. So you need to make the list of IP address for Facebook.com because there are many servers of this website. So whenever you see this the blog website is open, double check the IP address. So now access to Facebook.com has been blocked. So you can see. Otherwise, you open any website, it will open. Google.com is opening, but Facebook.com is not opening. So in this way, you can block website. And if you disable this rule now, the it will immediately open. Like if you disable this rule and check now after applying the changes, immediately the website will open. So in this way, you can use the pfSense to block the website. Thanks for watching.